Hello everyone, welcome to Tableau 10. Now we are going to see the third option in marks card, which is nothing but text or label. Using this, we can print the values or text in a meaningful way to represent the chart. First, let me create a bar chart by clicking the sales and then category. So bar chart has been created. Now if you see the furniture sales, we can see that approximately it is around 750k, right? So we don't know, like by looking at it, we cannot predict what is the exact value. To see the exact value, we can do by selecting the sales and then drag and drop on the label. So we can the exact figure of the sales, right? For the office furniture 74200, for office furniture for furniture it's 74200, for office supplies it's 7. Actually, whatever the value, it will be appearing here. We have the properties. You can see for this text, what are visible here. We have the properties for formatting. We can always do by clicking here. We can unselect the show mark label, it will go away, right? Each and every option I am going to explain now. So by unselecting, it will go away, right? And then let me show you the quantity, for how much quantity for this category. Drag the quantity and then drop on the. So now we have two values on the labels. Now we have two values. We don't know which one is what, right? So for that, we have to format it. For that, I need to select the label appearance and text, where we have 3 dots, right? Those 3 dots, click on it, it will open up the format page. Here, we can format. So I'll say like sum of quantity, and then here sum of sales, right? And we can do the formatting also. What are the color you want? Let me put the color for the first one differently, so it can be easily identified. Click on apply and OK. So now if you see, we can easily figure out what is which value represent exactly what. And then second option, we have font. So we can change the font and then alignment. Right now alignment is automatic. We can align the text representation. We can align to the left. We can add the center. We can align here, and then also orientation also. Either it can be a normal or vertical, or maybe like this side. So by selecting this, we can easily make out that changes automatically applies. Tableau is very fast tool. The response will be very fast. So if the font options, we have seen it now. Let me make it automatic. Now we have few more options. So the alignment we have seen it, and then now marks card labels, for everything it's going to be visible. I want to see only for min max. So minimum maximum only it will be available. So which is minimum, which is maximum, easily can be predictable. So if you see the furniture, it's not, we are not able to see the text on top of the bar. And one more option we have, which is selected. The selected one, which is nothing but whichever the bar you are going to select, for that only values will be appearing. And one more option we have, highlighted. So whatever the bar we are going to highlight, it may highlight 2. So those 2 only. I have selected 3. Those 2 only is going to, the text is going to be visible. So this is the way we can represent the data or text into the actual bars. Let me create one more chart. Open one more worksheet. Let us create a line chart by clicking sales and order date, and then there's the region. Okay, so this is the line chart. This line charts as well. If you want to see the actual sales, drag the sales and top into the labels element, so we can see the sales. Similarly, if you want to see the profit, drag and drop it here. So in these two values, which is the maximum, which is minimum, we don't know. For that, again, the options are same. Formatting options. If you want to deselect, the values will go away. To format the text, you have to go and click on these three icons. I'll say like this one, sales, and then profit. Click on apply. Okay. Now we can see which value is what represent what method. And then we have all the remaining options. Min max, only min max will be visible, and then selected. Whichever the one we select, that only will appear the text there. And then finally we have one more option, highlighted. So whatever we highlight, those lines only will get the text on top of it. Similarly, we can play around with all the other graphs as well. So basically this, hope you understand the element of label or text. By using this option, we can represent the actual values rather than assumption. We can view the actual values on top of the bar. Thanks for watching this session. We'll see you in the next one.